Christmas. It's almost time for Christmas. It's almost time for Christmas. Maybe when I go to sleep, it's gonna be that time. It's that time. Hey YouTube. Too extra, but hey YouTube, what's really what's poppin'? Welcome back to the Kayla. It's yours truly, Kayla, and today I'm back with another video. It's Vlogmas Day 3 according to me. Y'all know what I said. If you watch my Vlogmas Day 1, then you know how I'm doing Vlogmas. But if you haven't, of course you're going to be wondering, why is it Day 8 for other YouTubers and Day 3 for her? Okay, so if you gotta wonder that, that means that you're not watching the video fully through, and that's what you need to do. By the way, we reached our first goal.
Amazing!
We reached our first goal on the KAYLA, which was 50 subscribers. So some that's a small accomplishment, but for me that's a big accomplishment because period. Okay, we're now at like 55 subscribers or 56. Okay, stay tuned and stay ready for more videos, and also we are on the road to 100 subscribers now. So please subscribe, please watch this video all the way through, please like, share, comment. Okay, so as y'all seen from the title, we about to be doing this wig unboxing from Amazon. Okay, we about to be doing this wig unboxing from Amazon. Now look at this. Look at this. I don't know what to think, because I ain't ordered that wig. Don't think I ordered it, because some people probably be like, she ordered that. I ain't ordered that. That's just what's on their box. And I guess they are Purse Star hair. Y'all see that? Purse Star hair, I guess that's what they are, whatever. But Vlogmas Day 3, like I said, that's why I got my little bells on. Okay, so about to unbox it. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is a waterway wig too, and it was I picked 26 inch, so hopefully this is exactly what it said, because I read the reviews, and of course there were some negative ones, and of course there were some positive ones. So I'm about to smell the hair and stuff and see if it smells good, because some people said their hair stank, and I was like, oh wow, like I don't need no stanky hair. That's what I said. Okay, look at the thing sticking out. So it came in this like little gift bag. It's like a little gift bag. It's kind of cute. Okay, it's kind of cute. The model is cute. Just the hair kind of neat. But it came in like this little gift bag, and then when you pull it out, it's like this. So hopefully this is some good hair, y'all, because I ordered waterway. This is the third waterway wig I don't order. I'm addicted to these wigs. If this one, I'm addicted, but this is the longest one that I've had. I gotta see the length so far, but this is like the longest one that I've had. But so far, on first look, y'all, when I pull this wig out, and it say 26 inch, but I don't know though. But yeah, so this is giving. Okay, it kind of feels soft. I ain't even just feel it yet, but it kind of feels soft. Okay, it smell like my other wigs. It smell like the other wigs when they come. Now, some of the bad reviews was like it had an odor to it. So I don't know if it's because like they got a bad batch or something, but they said they had an odor to the wig, and I don't really have an odor. And the part is little, like they said. It's not you can't like go back, but I gotta see for myself. But the way it looks like you can't part it all the way back. Look at the knots. I don't know. First impression though, it's kind of giving me okay vibes, not just nice. So next we have these. If you rate it 5 stars with reviews and pictures, you get a free wig. Them little short wigs, them little grandma wigs. Look at them. You get them. I don't know about that. So maybe the people that wrote 5 stars is worth the 5 stars for a wig. I see. And they say them human hair. This is supposed to be human hair, but like I said, I don't know. I gotta test it out for a couple of weeks to see if it's human hair, because the other ones that I have, they were actually human hair, and they were actually they last the whole year if you take care of it. So this right here, I don't know. I gotta see. It comes with this right here. I don't know if they gave me this for. I don't care about that. Look, y'all, it comes with a little minor spray bottle. A little spray bottle, just a little something. Not too major, not too major. It comes with a dark wig cap. I guess they just gonna say, oh, a dark skinned black girl getting this. I guess they just know a dark skinned black girl getting these wigs on. I guess that's what they said, because this wig dark. I guess that's what they trying to say. And another thing, okay, that's it. Some people said they had free lashes, and they took a picture of the lashes that they had, and I'm like, they better not seen them lashes, because I'm gonna email them personally and be like, who finna wear these? Who y'all think I am? But that's what it is. So they had got free lashes. Them lashes didn't even look like lashes. Them look like, you know what, them was boneless lashes. Them was boneless lashes that they gave them, period. So we done unboxing it. I just wanted to show y'all me unboxing this wig. Oh, I forgot to do the other part. Okay, I gotta take this little thing off right here. I'm kind of, like I said, I kind of like this wig, but I can't judge it just yet, because y'all know how they go. Sometimes when you like stuff in the beginning, it really don't be what you think it's gonna be. It really don't be what it's cracked up to be. But so far, it really does feel good. One of the things out there, but so far it really does feel good. Now, I'm not one of them to know if it's truly the part look like it go back. I think I'm not really one of them to know if this is truly 26. It's pre-plucked too. Ooh, let me stop being outside. But I'm not really one of them to know if this is truly 26 inches. But sis, sis, oh my gosh, I looked at it. It's so cute. It's giving. I hope it's truly 26 inches, but I don't know if it's truly 26. It may be. Look at that stretch. So it may be. I don't know. Let me see. Cause baby girl. Sis. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm about to be happy, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's actually truly soft, y'all, like they were saying in the reviews. So I guess they went out or something. Most of the people that were leaving bad reviews, y'all, they were actually getting like the 10 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches. So I'm guessing that, like, if you buy the little short wigs, we're gonna give you a bad batch, I guess. But there were a couple who had like 18, 20, 22 with bad reviews too. But the 26 inches, they really didn't have that many bad reviews. I'm not saying that there weren't any, because I don't know, but when I kept scrolling down, it kept pushing me back to the top. So I was like, who finna keep going back down? But so far, I'm kind of liking this. I'm kind of liking it. Oh, I can't wait to put it on. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of this unboxing video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned and stay ready for more videos on the KAYLA, because more videos are coming. And I hope y'all like this video. As I said, I hope y'all like this wig. I'm here to tell y'all when I try it on. I'm here to show y'all. Because I'm kind of too happy right now about this wig. So please don't let me get too happy that it don't be cute. But whatever. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and stay ready for more videos on the KAYLA, because more videos are coming to the KAYLA. And check out my other videos. Check out my video from yesterday. Boom. Check my video from the other day too. Boom. Check out all the videos, y'all, because y'all need to watch them. This one hurt my lip. But check out my other videos on my channel too, y'all. Okay. I'm trying to really brainstorm about a lot of ideas, and I'm trying to get a lot more ideas, because we're on the road to 100 subscribers. And I know that 100 is coming, then 5. Okay, period. Let's not play it today. So we are on the road to 100 subscribers, y'all. So stay tuned to stay ready for more videos, y'all. And that is it. That's all that I have for y'all. And bye, y'all.